Twins have invented a new game. Today is December 8th, 2012. They put the pillows down there and they put the steps there. What are you guys doing? What are you doing? Wait, I can't hear you. What are you doing? And what are you jumping on top of? Too bad. This is a very fun game today. Yeah, you can do more, and then we're going to go take a nap, okay?
Yeah, and more.
After this, you can go take a nap. Oopsie. 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 Let's see if I can get a better shot from here. That's better. Oh boy. This is a really fun video to watch. Yeah, and what do you say to Eliza when she's up there? You say, be careful. Be careful. Ian, be careful. Careful. Thank you. Be careful. Careful. They're missing the pillows every time. Ian, were you jumping on your tushy? Then at least you got the pillows. Not quite. Oops, oops. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. I'm going to turn off the camera now, okay? Yeah, I know you want to do more Hoopy Mom, but Mommy's saying bye-bye. Bye-bye.